Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z7353A. 63,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, silver ice metallic in color. Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Very clean as you can see. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. Equinox is free of dents or dings. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. And power moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and the city average of 32 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 65% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7353A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.